We are going to learn in this video how to restore deleted images from Keepsafe app that are still in trash and can't be recovered until you pay dollars for premium. Requirements are a rooted devices and Brain and Titanium Backup app and File Explorer app. I use Solid Explorer. Open Titanium Backup, then grant root access and backup Keepvid. It will take some time depending on hidden files size. Open Solid Explorer app and go to Titanium Backup folder. Open tar.gz file. Open data then Keepsafe. If you didn't find the folder, be sure to check Show Hidden Files in Solid Explorer. Open Files. Open Media. Long press on Media and copy it. Paste it outside the GZ file. Open it and you will find all your files. Open the folder and look for a file called Photo. Rename the photo file to photo.jpg.